you are looking at children who are showing great courage, some of them spending this weekend at the happiest place on earth, but that is while they are battling debilitating and sometimes life-threatening illnesses. The Children's Miracle Network Hospital is telling these heartfelt stories with the launch of the Champions Ambassador Program. And we are now joined live by Miss America, Kira Kasansev, who is the National Goodwill Ambassador for CMN Hospitals, and one of the young ambassadors there from California, that's Molly Hall of Monterey, and her dad. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Tell us, first of all, Kira, I want to find out about this Champions program. Tell us about it. What is it, and what do you hope to accomplish with this, the organization?
Well, 52 kids from all across the country get the opportunity to join an ambassador tour, and they go to Washington, D.C. to meet the First Lady and tour the Capitol, and then they get to take a private plane chartered by Delta all the way down here to Orlando, and they've been having an incredible time. And what they're doing is advocating for these incredible causes and raising awareness on the issues. And I, as the National Goodwill Ambassador, get to travel the country and make sure that people know that 62 kids enter a Children's Miracle Network hospital every single minute, and that's something that everyone needs to know, and everyone can do their part to help by donating to the cause.
Wow. And it's good. Wow, that's right. And Molly says wow as well. Oh, it's good to have Molly there because Molly has cerebral palsy, and as you said, raising awareness. I mean, often people are looking at Molly and they might not be sure what is going on with her, but we should let people know she has a special laptop to communicate and to do her homework. And Molly, your dad's there. I'll address the question to him. She's at the top of her class. I mean, this is a bright little girl.
Oh yes, she is by far, and it's amazing. She never ceases to amaze me every day. It's something new. You know, just recently she started standing up on her own without any assistance, and that was just a heartwarming experience. And let me tell you one thing. With the communicator device, the Children's Miracle Network helped us procure the additional laptop that she got for her house, because she has one for school and she has one for home, and the one from school was getting beat up traveling back and forth, so they helped us procure the one that we use for home, which is a blessing by far.
Yeah.
And yes. She is just absolutely adorable, and I hear that Molly's friends and family say that she stands out by blending right in. What do they mean by that?
Yeah. Well, you know, Molly she doesn't see herself different from anybody else, which is a great experience, and all the other kids at her school too. It's being immersed in a local grade school is a blessing for everybody, because it not only enriches Molly, it enriches the kids around her. So they get to see the trials and tribulations that she goes through, and they actually show appreciation for what they have. You know, and they see the struggles that kids with special needs have, and then they have a new appreciation for those kids, and they see that they struggle a little bit more, but they're just like every other kid.
Oh, that's fabulous. And Kira, you and the kids also went to Washington, D.C. They got to meet the First Lady and some of the other members on Capitol Hill. What was your goal there?
Well, our goal is really to raise awareness, and since 1983, Children's Miracle Network hospitals have raised $5 billion for kids in need, but that number needs to continue to grow. And as ambassadors, the kids get the opportunity to share their stories and to make sure that people are paying attention. And 10 million kids are serviced by Children's Miracle Network hospitals each year, and that's unfortunately a very huge number, and we all can do our part to help.
And you two are speaking to Molly, if you could speak for her. Do you know what her favorite part has been so far on this trip?
Well, besides meeting Miss America,
we're fast friends. We're
pretty amazing.
Every part of this trip has been over the top. You know, we had expectations, but they've by far exceeded them. With all the corporate sponsors, with Marriott and Delta and Walmart and Chico's, all of them putting in their little bits here and there. It's just been amazing. You know, I can't come up with enough words to describe how amazing this trip has been.
That's fabulous. I'm sure all the little girls wanted to try on the crown. I know I would have. Definitely.
That's going to be hard to get off, isn't it?
I think so. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. The Children's Miracle Network champion, Molly Hall from Monterey, her dad, and also Miss America 2015, Kira Kasansev. Now, if you'd like to make a donation or learn more about the Children's Miracle Network program, we did create a web link. You can find it at the bottom right-hand corner of our webpage, KTVU.com. Just click on the web links box, and then you can click on the line that says how to donate to Children's Miracle Network. Tori and Dave?
All right, Pam, thank you.
It was wonderful seeing them hug.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
that was
is.
great.
Great.